Okay, basically we wanted a contemporary design. At the same time, we want this place to be as cozy as possible because this place is small. It's a 2-bedroom room and it's for our weekend getaway. It's our second home and we love it. We had a lot of interaction with the designer and they are very responsive. Even in the middle of the night, when they respond to our queries, that is very good. Overall, we are very happy with it. Thank you, Alvin and Jeny, for helping us to realize this home. And we're very happy with Rezt and Relax. Their service is great. We are looking forward to further collaboration. We have 3 projects coming up. Well done, Rezt and Relax. Now, I ask you, I interview you. You happy with us or not?
Yes.
We pay on time or not?